All right, Fabian's about to drop me off at Hollywood Studios, where I'm going to answer the question, is Slinky Dog Dash worth the wait? On the Disney Experience app this morning, I saw it was around 75 minutes, but over Thanksgiving break, it got up to like 250 minutes. So I want to see if that long of a wait is worth it for a 60-second roller coaster. I'm also wondering if there's an interactive lines. I'm just gonna suck it up. I put on my comfy Nikes and I'm gonna find out for us. So I'll see you in the park. All right, we made it into the park, but before we head back to Toy Story Land, I want to get some B-roll of the nice Christmas decorations here right now before the sun goes down. Toy Story Land, I had to go on Tower of Terror. I was able to get some fast passes, so it's been a while since I did Tower of Terror. Just really needed to get that one in. It's been a while, so I was like definitely nervous again, and no one really wants to go on that ride with me ever because a lot of people get sick on it, but I love that feeling, that weightlessness. Alright, off to Toy Story Land. Okay, so in about 20 minutes, I have a fast pass for the Alien Swirling Saucers ride. So I think I'm gonna get that done before going to Slinky Dog Dash, just so I don't have to worry about rushing. That way, once I get the Alien Swirling Saucers out of the way, I'll just have the rest of the evening to get through that line, which is now up to like 90 minutes, so wish me luck. Saucers was a lot of fun. If you have any kids in your party, they will love that. By the time I went on, it was only like 25-30 minute wait, so worth it. Now it's time for... Here we go! Slinky Dog. Let's go. I think it's down to like a 75 minute wait now, so that's alright, I guess. so I decided to finish the rest of this from home because it was getting too dark to keep vlogging in the park, which you'll probably notice from the footage on the ride. But I enjoyed riding it at nighttime because everything was lit up. Also because it wasn't so hot and waiting in line. I did get on the ride on the dot 75 minutes from beginning to end. And I have to say it was a really fun ride. I loved the entire thing. 75 minutes did go by surprisingly faster than I expected. 75 minutes worth the wait for Slinky Dog Dash? Yes, I think so. Over Thanksgiving break when it was 250-minute wait, which equals around 4 hours, I would probably have been really, really sad. It's definitely one of those over before you know it type feelings. When I waited an hour for Frozen in Epcot, I definitely felt like it was worth it because the length of the ride itself. This one is roller coaster, so you get more of the thrills, but it's over pretty fast, like maybe in 2 minutes. The roller coaster actually moved like how you would think a Slinky Dog would move. Little things like that you'll appreciate with this ride. I had seen pictures of it before, but I totally forgot that there's an animatronic Wheezy at the end, which also made it worth the wait. But yeah, Slinky Dog was really fun. I keep comparing it to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train because it's kind of a kiddie coaster. The drops are thrilling. Honestly, both rides in Toy Story Land I enjoyed a lot. If you have a kid who wants to go on one of these new Toy Story rides and you don't have a fast pass or anything, I think the Alien Flying Saucers was totally worth it. Waiting in line for Slinky Dog, first 30 minutes weren't so bad. After 45 minutes I was kind of like, okay, I'm ready to go on this thing. It's winding and twists and turns a lot within the line, so you think you're getting closer and then you're like, oh no, we still have a while. There's nothing interactive about the line, but there were several signs I saw that made it seem like Disney's relying on Disney Mobile Play app. I didn't actually spend a lot of time on my phone in this line because I was just admiring everything. A lot of people really didn't seem to mind the 75-minute wait. So I would say 90 minutes or less, go for it. If you're there during the holidays and it's up to 2 or 3 hour wait, just do something else. Alien Flying Saucers, really cute, really fun. Slinky Dog Dash, really cute, really fun, but maybe not worth 3 hours of waiting. Also Toy Story Midway Mania. If you haven't gone on that ride and it's a shorter wait than Slinky Dog, do that ride. There's nothing else like that ride. So I hope you like this video. I hope it helps your vacation a little bit in some way. Hopefully Flight of Passage in Pandora will be my next ride that I wait a while for. I think that one's gonna be worth it. See you next time. Here's a little outro.